Let me show you how to run never out of basil again by growing your own from store-bought. Before I show you 2 methods of growing basil, it's time to chop up some branches. Make sure every cutting is about 8 centimeters in length. Make sure to use a sharp knife. The first method is to propagate the cuttings in water. Using tap water usually just works fine. Place the cuttings in the water so that the lowest leaves ideally do not touch the water. The second propagation method I want to show you is to transplant the fresh cutting directly into the soil. Make sure to put the cutting 2 to 3 centimeters into the soil. For the soil, I use soil with high organic matter to provide enough nutrients. If you'd like to grow basil outdoors, you could even just put the cuttings in your garden soil. Keep in mind to water the plants when the soil starts to get dry. The basil plants we propagated in water already grew a ton of roots after about 2 weeks. So it's finally time to transplant them into soil. Planting these cuttings into soil is almost the same as we did in the second method. For this time, make sure to not damage the roots since this can harm the plants. With this easy steps, you will soon never run out of basil again. Thanks for watching and see you next time.